Hey bio students, today we're going to talk about the excretory system. We are going to talk about what and why your body is trying to excrete. You probably are like, I already know, Miss Armstrong, we are trying to get rid of pee, but why is your body trying to get rid of it, and what is urine, and how do we accomplish this? So first, we must know that there is a problem. There is an ammonia problem. That ammonia is a breakdown of proteins in the cells which causes the ammonia. So our stomach, like we learned in the digestive system, we break down those proteins, and those proteins, when broken down, they create ammonia. And whenever you break down those proteins, you get ammonia. And even a little bit of ammonia is lethal to cells. So our body came up with a way on how to get rid of that ammonia, and that is the excretory system. So the function of the excretory system is to get rid of the ammonia and other waste quickly or convert it into safer compounds. So we remove the nitrogen, involves water, so the excretory system has to regulate the balance of water. We already know from other trimesters of biology and science that our cells need water. We need to stay hydrated. In order to get that ammonia out, we need to involve water as well to get out of our system. So we need to stay hydrated in order to get rid of that excess water, and then to get rid of that ammonia as well. So we have to create a balance of water. Saltwater animals need to conserve water because they're in salt water, right? They are trying to keep water inside of them, but not get salt water inside of them. Freshwater animals need to excrete extra water. So aquatic animals simply need to release the nitrogen into the water. Freshwaters must secrete excess water, whereas the saltwaters must secrete excess salts. They need to get rid of those salts because when they inhale, they're getting the salt water, so they need to get rid of the salts. Whereas freshwater, they are getting rid of excess water because they're obviously swimming around in fresh water, so they have water inside and outside. Whereas terrestrial, land vertebrates, us humans, right, along with other animals on land, we must remove waste while consuming water because we don't have that option of being in water. So we're drinking water, conserving water, and also using that to get rid of the waste. So here's the process that happens. We have our ammonia, right? Our ammonia is the broken down proteins in our stomach. Ammonia is created. So ammonia goes inside the liver. Do you remember the liver is a very important part of the digestive system as well? Well, the liver is also a very important part of the excretory system as well. So let's start back over. The ammonia goes through the liver, filters out the ammonia, and it creates urea. Yes, I said that right, urea. And then what comes next is your kidneys. Your kidneys are an important function of your body as well in the excretory system. Your kidneys take that urea. So what happened is the ammonia goes through the liver and it filters it. It creates urea, which is a less toxic, less dangerous thing. And then your kidney comes, takes the urea and holds it inside the bladder. The kidneys also filter other things through your blood as well. They're going to grab some other things. They're your filter. Your kidneys are your filter along with your liver. And then urea is stored inside your bladder. And then urea is emptied out through the bladder, and that is your urine. Yes, that is a container of urine. I know. So ammonia goes through the liver, creates a less toxic chemical called urea. And then urea then is filtered through the kidneys, held in the bladder, and then excreted out as urine. So mammalian excretion, the liver converts nitrogen waste in the blood into a less toxic compound called urea. So there's our liver. Kidneys clean the blood and create urine, which is made of urea. It's made of excess water, so we need to stay hydrated, right? Because our cells need the water. And then it gets rid of urea with water in our urine. And then it also other waste from metabolism, other waste inside of our body, because our kidneys clean our blood, so it needs to get rid of all that waste. So that is the process of why we have urine and why urine is there and why we need your kidneys and your liver. Let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, happy science.